Here's a copycat recipe for Sonny's Barbecue Original Recipe Barbecue Beans. From Instant Pot Bible Copycat Recipes. Start with 3½ cups of canned pinto beans, rinsed and drained. Then add 1 chopped medium onion and ½ pound of chopped thick-cut bacon. Add 6 tablespoons packed dark brown sugar and 1 cup ketchup. Next, add 1/4 cup yellow mustard and 1½ tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. Then add 1 tablespoon molasses and 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar. Stir well, then spread into a deep 2-quart casserole. Place a rack and 1½ cups of water in a 5, 6, or 8-quart Instant Pot. Then add the casserole covered. Cook on high pressure for 40 minutes. Then do a natural release, about 20 minutes. Now you can make your favorite restaurant recipes at home. Find them in the Instant Pot Bible Copycat Recipes.